The Collections tool helps you organize, customize, and share your studies within BioAtlas. To use it, first choose a piece of content. From there, you can add it to Collections by clicking the three dots and choosing the first option. This will add the content to the collections without any changes, exactly as it was originally created. Now, if you want to customize the content before saving, simply enter the content, make the changes you want, such as adding text, hiding structures, among other available options, and then click the Save New button. Finally, choose a name and click Save. Once the template is saved, simply return to the previous page and the template will be available in your collections. An important note is that for now, only 3D content can be saved as custom models. For each of these saved contents, you have the options to share, rename, duplicate, move, and delete. If you choose the Share option, you have two options: generate a link for direct access, similar to cloud services, or share it via email to someone at your institution. In this second option, our system will send an email to the recipient to let them know about the sharing. When content is shared with you, it will be available in the Shared With Me tab. To make navigation and organization easier, there are search and filter options, as well as the option to create folders and subfolders. To move content to a folder, select the Move option and choose a folder, or drag the content to the desired folder. Finally, you can modify the saved template. To do so, return to the template, make the desired changes, and click Save to update the current template, or Save New to preserve the original template and create a new one.